In this video, I'm going to show you how to publish your game or project on itch.io, step by step, even if you've never uploaded anything before. Whether you're releasing a game jam entry, a demo, a prototype, or a full finished project, this walkthrough will help you set everything up properly, upload your files, add your media, and publish it the right way. If this video helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy software and creator tutorials. Alright, let's jump right in. First, go to the top right of the screen where your profile icon is. Click the drop-down menu next to it, and then select Upload New Project. This is where the publishing process starts, and it opens the project setup page where you'll enter all the important details about your release. Now on the project page, you'll want to fill out the project details carefully. Start with your project title. Make sure the name is clear and matches what you want people to see on your game page, then add your short description or summary. This is the text that tells visitors what your project is about in just a few lines, so keep it simple, clear, and appealing. You can also add a longer description if needed, especially if you want to explain features, controls, story updates, or what players should expect. Next, move down to the Upload section. This is where you attach the actual file people will download. Click Upload Files and select your .zip file from your computer. Itch.io works best when your build is compressed into a zip file, so make sure your game or project is packaged correctly before uploading. Once the upload finishes, you'll see the file listed. After that, check the box next to the file so it's properly labeled and included with the project. This step is important because it confirms which upload is the main downloadable file for your page. After your file is uploaded, it's time to add media and extra details. This can include your cover image, screenshots, description images, and any other visuals that help people understand what your project looks like. Good visuals make a huge difference because they help your page look polished and trustworthy. If you have screenshots, add a few of the best ones so visitors can quickly see gameplay, art style, or interface. If you have a trailer or video, include that too if possible, because it can help drive more downloads and attention. You should also take a moment to review any other settings that apply to your project, like genre, tags, pricing, and platform details. These help people discover your project more easily through itch.io search and browsing. Think of this as the final polish stage. The better your project page looks, the more likely people are to click, download, and try it. Now scroll all the way down to the Visibility and Access section at the bottom of the page. This is where you control whether your project is still private for testing or ready for the public to see. If you want to test the page first, set the project to draft. If everything looks good and you're ready to release it, switch it to public. Draft is great if you still want to check for mistakes, confirm the download works, or make sure the page layout looks right before anyone else sees it. Once you've chosen the correct visibility, go to the very bottom and click Save and View page. This finalizes everything and publishes your project or saves it in the chosen visibility mode. After that, itch.io will take you to your project page so you can review the final result. At this point, double-check your title, description, file download, screenshots, and visibility settings to make sure everything is exactly how you want it. And that's it! You've successfully published your project on itch.io. The process is simple once you know where everything is, and now you can upload future projects much faster. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and leave a comment if you want more step-by-step guides like this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.